The best tool to rank on YouTube for free? Hi, I'm Alan Bean and I like to give you tips, tricks and reviews just to make your life that little bit easier. Right, so what I'm going to do is show you around one of the best tools that you can have for absolutely nothing to improve your rankings on YouTube. It's a tool called TubeBuddy. And it is a fantastic tool and you can get it for absolutely nothing. There are higher valued ones where you pay a little bit per month to use, but the basic one is there and it will cost you absolutely nothing to get started with it. And it will make your life so much easier when creating YouTube videos. So let me just show you on the screen now what I'm talking about. Right, so the tool that I'm talking about is a tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one of the leading SEO and keyword research things on the internet that's specifically for YouTube, but it's got a lot more features than that, which I'm going to go through with you. Now, there are 4 levels that you can actually have with TubeBuddy. Obviously, the video is mainly aimed about the free one, which I'll give you a link in the description so you can click on that and get it for free. But there are 3 other levels, and the one I've actually got on my system is the Pro, but you also have the Star and the Legend, and depending on how active you are on YouTube and how far your channel's growing, you would tend to move up as things progress for the extra tools that you need. I feel that I'm quite happy with the Pro at the moment, but I can see very soon where I might need the Star one. But that's not what we're here for. So what I'm here to show you is some of the facilities on this free package that are worthwhile you using from day one on your YouTube channel. And if you actually click on the link that's actually in the description, you can have a look at all these facilities and decide whether that's the one for you or whether you want one of the higher priced ones. But it's this area, the SEO tools, which is where you are getting an awful lot for nothing. Now, I'm going to go onto a video in a minute and show you all about these, but the Keyword Explorer is fantastic. Ranking of tags. So when somebody puts in keywords or tags on a video, you can see how good that is with reflection to the video that you're producing. And there's a lot more bits and pieces with that, so I'm just going to click on a video here. This is one of my channels, and if we click on the Keyword Explorer, now this is on the basic package. It doesn't give us many results on the basic package as it does on the Pro, but you'll see what I mean. So if I type in a word, say YouTube, which I would hope that YouTube would know about, there are a list there of the most common keywords that are being used in this area. Click on Explore and it will bring up a number of things. First of all, here, who are actually searching on YouTube, video searches, and what their words are that they're searching for that reflects on what you put. So if you've put YouTube and we click on there and put a space, rewind 2000, rewind to singing, family, it could be anything that comes up there, but YouTube, let's think of another word, YouTube influencers. You put influencer and it will bring up what words are being searched for on videos. It tells you though, if you produced a video on that, the chances are you'd get poor results, because although there's 2.45 million searches for that, there's a good volume of searches, but the competition is heavy. So you probably wouldn't create a video with that as your main keyword. But if we change that slightly and put best YouTube influencers 2020 for an example, and then the scores that come up go to fair, so you may consider doing that, but there's only 992,000 searches being done for that, There's obviously not that many searches, but equally there's obviously not that many people looking at it. So let's look for something a little bit more unique. So Tesla car in space launch, and again it comes up, excellent search term, because there are 1.92 million searches for it. The competition isn't that great, and the search volume, well, it's an average number of searches for that sort of thing, for that particular phrase, but that would be a brilliant keyword if you were looking for it. And here are a couple of the video searches that are being used. Tesla car in space launch video, SpaceX launched Tesla car in space. But let's say you didn't fancy Tesla car in space launch, and you put that one in instead. You just click on it, it brings it up and tells you whether or not that one's a better one, and it isn't. There's only 131,000 people ever searching for that compared to that. So that's the keyword explorer, and it also gives you some common tasks. So Elon Musk, click on that, let's see what that one does. And again, it's poor. Although there might be 2.68 million people there, the search volume may be good, but there's a lot of people with that in their videos. So that's the keyword search tool. Very, very simple. Also on here, you've got the SEO Studio, where you put in your keyword on your video, right? So the video that you're using, and it will search through and compare how that works on the actual video that you're doing it with. So you'd open up a video, click on that, it would search through the video for your keyword, see if it's in the right places, how many times it's there, and a number of other little things, like for example, if your image, if you got a correct image, or if you just used one from the video itself, and a lot of little things like that. Okay, so I'll get rid of that. We've also got tags list, so click on that. You don't have any tags. Enter a tag list name and add it. That's if you've got a specific area that you tend to do on a regular basis, you can create a list of tags that you always put in. That could be your channel name, it could be what area it is. So if you were doing about Elon Musk, that would be a regular tag that you'd put in there. But if you were doing sewing machines, you're not going to want that on that one. So you will have different lists for different tasks. So those are just a couple of the very quick things that are there for you. Okay. Some of the things that I've covered there on there, the Keyword Explorer, but you also have a thumbnail generator. So when you're creating it, instead of having to go to a different program to generate a thumbnail, that's included with the Pro version. A health report on your actual channel. So it'll look through your channel and say, right, you're missing out on this, you should be doing this. The ability that you can test a particular image against another one, which one works better as your thumbnail. And you can upload a load of videos at once and edit them all at once. So there's a lot of facilities there for you. But as I say, as a tool to get you started on YouTube, that Keyword Explorer and that SEO Studio are fantastic. Now, there are a lot more facilities that can be done with TubeBuddy, but I just wanted to do a very quick video so you can see about it and then give you the link and let you have a look for yourself. As I say, it's a free tool. You can look at videos that are on different purple sites. Let's try, I know what we'll put, so we mentioned in. So you put that into your search and choose a particular video. So choose that one there. I'll pause it. Right. And then it will search on the video and see what tags have been used, how many views, how many likes, how many times it's been mentioned, and how good that website, that video's SEO actually is. So on this particular one, I know it's only showing the advert at the moment, but I'll play it so it can get up to the actual thing so you can see what I mean. But On this particular video here, it's only got a 40 out of 100 review. Now, I don't know whose this channel is, and I'll flick through and just flick through. And it may be a very, very popular channel that's become well established, but 17.4 million views, 86,000 comments, and that is on one video that's got a very limited number of tags, very limited keywords on there, and it's still done that. So that is another facility that it has. You can actually look at people's videos and just see how good they are. So here's another one, and again it looks at the video, pulls up all the rankings for it. This particular video, again similar tags, etc., and details on it there. So that's one of the other facilities that I strongly think makes TubeBuddy a fantastic tool. And hopefully you'll find it of great benefit to yourself, like I did when I first got into YouTube. Now, we put out videos twice a week with tips and tricks and reviews of things that we think that might be helpful to make your life a little bit easier. So please do subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those tips and tricks that might just make your life easier. Do like, share, and don't forget to comment. Tell us what you felt about TubeBuddy when you tried out the free. How did you find it? Did you upgrade? What did you like best? Anyway, I look forward to talking to you on the next video, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.